Hey guys, and welcome to the truth about YouTube automation and 5 reasons why you're doing it wrong. Are you tired about hearing about YouTube automation and not seeing any results? Do you feel like you're doing everything right, but your channel isn't growing? Well, you're not alone. Many creators fall into the trap of believing common myths about YouTube automation that can actually hurt their channel and their chances of success. But in today's video, we're gonna debunk these myths and lies because only who know them actually end up making money through YouTube automation. Anyway, let's stop the chit chat and let's get straight into the video. Lie number 1, YouTube automation. There is actually nothing automatic about YouTube automation. This is what they tell you. Use chatgpt to write a script. Hire a video editor or use AI to edit your videos. Create a thumbnail and upload your video. And boom, money, money, money. However, this is the perfect process to fail. The reality is ChatGPT is awful at writing YouTube scripts. They are always so bland and sound too robotic. My advice, I would try to edit your own videos. Try and make them engaging and fun for the viewer. Or your other option is to fork out money and pay for an editor. When looking for an editor, always make sure and check out their previous work. The truth is, it's a consistent battle to improve your content. Uploading your videos, reviewing your past videos and seeing what you can improve upon. Making sure that your next upload is even better and more engaging. Lie number 2, the amount of effort. I saw a tweet the other day about you can make $5,000 with a YouTube channel with just 20 minutes of work a week is the biggest lie I have ever seen on the internet. There is just no way that you can make $5,000 a month with just spending 20 minutes a week editing, uploading, and creating content. This is impossible. You need to be a bit more realistic and realize you need to put in a lot of work and effort to get to this stage of money making. You need to create high quality videos and not low quality ones. With my first ever YouTube channel, it took me 1 year to get 100 subscribers and then another year after that just to get monetized. So don't worry if you're not making a penny in the first 30 days. It takes a lot of time to become successful. Lie number 3, making $100 a week with zero experience. Now, some of these so-called YouTube experts are telling you if you have no experience editing, no experience creating a clickable title and thumbnail, you can easily make $100 a week on YouTube. Well, I got news for you. It ain't gonna happen. Here's the best advice I can give someone. Spend time researching how to create a good title and a good clickable thumbnail. Research some editing techniques to make sure that you're editing and that you can make your videos very highly engaging for the viewer. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking.
Ethan, I don't have the time and it's too boring.
Well, here's my answer. Enjoy getting no views and subscribers and making zero money. Expect failure. It takes time and hard work to get to the stage of making $100 a week with YouTube. Lie number 4. Niches don't matter. Newsflash, they do. Make videos that are relevant enough that people are interested in watching. Don't upload any random video to YouTube. Research the audience you want to target and make content specifically for them and optimize for search. A good way of looking at how to make a good YouTube video is using the search bar. Typing something that interests you and that your channel is based about and create a video about this. Some good advice if you have 0 subscribers and 0 viewers is always target the very long search terms. An example is like this one. Remember, when creating a channel and choosing your niche, I recommend choosing something that you are interested in. For example, I started this YouTube channel because I'm interested in AI and making money online with YouTube. Lie number 5, upload schedules. Now for YouTube automation, A lot of YouTube gurus say that you should be uploading a video every day, but believe me, you will get burnt out. Try to focus more on creating a high quality video that people will watch all the way through, instead of just banging out low quality videos every day. A way I like to look at it is treat your YouTube channel like a TV show. Choose a day of a week and a specific time. Stick to this schedule and maybe upload one video a week, making sure that video is high quality and the best video you can make. However, some advice is the more videos you can upload in a week, the more views you will get. But there you have it, guys. Those are the 5 lies about YouTube automation. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.